गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. इट्स 7:30 इन द मॉर्निंग और आज हम लोग ढूंढने जा रहे हैं मानीमुनी. मानीमुनी इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज ब्राह्मी इन हिंदी. और ये बहुत अच्छा होता है आपके स्टमक के लिए. और इसका जूस जो होता है हम दिखाएंगे आपको कैसे इसका जूस पिया जाता है, जो आपके स्टमक के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, हेल्दी डाइजेशन देता है. एट द सेम टाइम हम लोग एक ग्रेवी भी बनाएंगे मानीमुनी का. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So finally we have come to Beltola Market. It's a nearby local market, only Sunday morning. And आप देख सकते हो मार्केट मेरे पीछे में. तो यहाँ पे एक लेडी है जो वो लीव्स सेल कर रही है. Let's show it to you. So she is giving me this Manimuni, which is also known as Brahmi in Hindi, for 10 rupees per bundle. So we are going to buy 3 right now. These are fresh herbs that has been plucked early in the morning, and she bought it to the market. Looks delicious. Apuni dioksan? I'll take 3. Hal side option 3 muta. So it just cost me 30 rupees for 3. Looks fresh, and we are going to prepare a shot as well as the gravy out of it. Looks awesome, isn't it? We are also buying some taro stamps. Looks fresh, and just 10 rupees per bundle. And I'm going to fry. Look at the other vegetables out here. They're so fresh. Looks very tempting. Beltola Market is a very rich market in terms of fresh resources that has been plucked early in the morning, and the vendors carry it to the market, and people across the city, they come over here to buy some fresh fruits and vegetables. Also some local indigenous condiments and vegetables and spices as well, which is only found in Beltola Market. Look at this red Raja Mircha, which is also known as ghost pepper, and it looks very nice and bright, and it's very hot. You cannot simply eat it just like that. Whenever you're having your lunch, you can just simply take cut a small piece of it, and then you can enjoy. So he is giving me 3 for 10 rupees, and I'm buying it for 20. And these are elephant apple. Elephant apple is also known as otenga in Assamese, and people prepare fish as well as they used to prepare some kind of sauce out of it. And these are banana flower. These are the flowers of Bhimkol, and this is lemons. These are Assamese lemons, only found in Assam and other northeastern part of the country. And I'm going to make some fresh lemonade out of it. He's giving me 3 for 10 rupees and 6 for 20. So I'm buying it for like 20 rupees. Look at it, guys. It looks so juicy. Look at these big jackfruits, and they are nicely ripened, and people can simply split it in 2, and then they can enjoy the buds. And there are other locally grown fruits as well. These are organic fruits and vegetables. The market looks so crowded. This is known as Giloy. Giloy is very beneficial for people suffering from diabetes. It helps you to regulate your blood as well as purify your bloodstream. So she is giving me 1 bundle for 10 rupees only. All you have to do is just take 1 bundle and simply boil it, or you can just mash it and soak it in water overnight, and you can drink the water early in the morning in empty stomach. This will be very beneficial. And these are bamboo shoots. So I'm going to make some fermented bamboo shoots, which later I'll be preparing with some meat like pork or chicken in Naga style. And look at it, these shoots are like so fresh and so tender. You can simply boil them and fry them, or you can just ferment by simply cutting in small pieces and putting inside a jar and adding water to it, and you can ferment it. The looks of Manimuni is selling all this jewelries. নিজে বানায়
बनाओ और बाहरों पे है
Okay,
बनारस पे है
Banaras. So we have this Rudraksh. किमान दिन हल दुकान?
मतलब 40
40 years he has been sitting in this shop. It's located in Beltola, Jayanagar Road. Okay, thank you. And look at it, guys. These are fresh organic pineapples, full juicy and so sweet. These are seasonal and it is not grown throughout the year. However, you know, this is the peak season and the pineapples are fully ripened. And now we are going to prepare the gravy. So we have kept a pan and we have added some oil. At the same time we are frying some onions, and then I have made a paste of ginger, garlic, green chilies and coriander leaves into a fine paste. I'm going to add it in the oil and keep frying. Here I'll be adding a little bit of jeera powder, which is cumin. 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of cumin is fine, and stir it nicely. And then after some time I'll be adding a little bit of turmeric, haldi powder. Now I'm adding the brahmi juice. I have blended in a mixer and I'll be adding it to make the gravy. And I'm adding some salt to taste. So I've boiled 2 to 3 potatoes, medium sized, and I'm going to add it to the gravy so that it adds a nice lovely texture to it. So the gravy is coming to a boil and I have just put the lid on. And finally the gravy is ready. Look at it. It looks awesome. We're going to serve it with hot steaming rice. and this is very good for your health. Enjoy.